my beautiful divas and dudes. As I said, I was going to do the video on the prize mail that I won from Miss Tan, their Easter giveaway. And I'm just going to show, I don't want to show the address and everything. And she sent this nice card. That's a very nice touch. It says, "Hey Princess, congratulations on winning my Easter giveaway. I hope you like the necklace. Much love, Miss Tan." And I was just thinking, I said, well, I don't have anything to match the yellow shirt I got on. And I've got a purple set of earrings, but I don't have a purple shirt. I might give that shirt away because I can't wear it. It's a beautiful sheer floral shirt. But now I've got a yellow, can you see that good? A yellow necklace that'll go good with my, I'll just throw it on right quick. The yellow, it's actually a sweater. I can't get it to hook. Oh, fix my mirror. I got something on my shirt. Oh, it's glitter. Because the little paper she sent it in was, glitter. Now this is adjustable. I could adjust it, but that would look cool on a black dress. I like that with my. Got these from Cato's, I think, and this ring from Cato's. That's not too bad. And that. I think this was on clearance. I hate to show my hand when I don't have anything else, but this is my Easter prize mail from Miss Tan. Thank you, Miss Tan. You have a good weekend.